Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have the file open. Now take a quick backup by copying the column to a new sheet. Once done, confirm the data type is text or general so Excel treats characters correctly. Next, select the first target cell and enter equals trim, A1 to remove leading and trailing spaces and collapse extra internal spaces. Press Enter, then drag or double-click the fill handle to apply the formula down the column for every row you need. Once the trim results look right, copy that new column and paste special as values to replace formulas with fixed text. If spaces persist, they may be non-breaking, so nest substitute A1 char 160, a round trim, or use clean to strip non-printables. You can also press Ctrl+H and replace two spaces with one in a loop, or search for char 160 via Find and Replace by holding Alt and Type. To finish, confirm the cleaned values match expectations and then paste them over the original column, saving the workbook. If you cleaned with nested formulas, convert to values so other users don't depend on helper columns. If things go wrong, check for hidden characters like tabs or line breaks. Use clean or substitute with char 9 and char 10. And if data reappears from a source import, make sure to fix the source or automate cleanup with Power Query so the problem doesn't repeat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.